That's a duck.
That was very funny. They all ran to you and just stopped right in front.
Yeah,
Oh,
because
they're
they
looking
think I
for
have food. Yeah. All right. Shh, I want to get their sounds. I need to get a mic. Almost like a quacking.
Yes, yeah.
Very guttural sound. They're a little chubby, huh?
The way their head moves and their body.
Look at this one. Do you see the web on that feet?
Who's that? Oh, yeah.
I didn't realize they were so webbed. Look at that.
Look at them. That's some cute feet.
Oh, no.
No, I know, but like...
The duck feet?
Well, I mean, like, yeah, whatever's webbed, but like American cute feet are weird.
Yeah, they look
like,
kind of gross.
Circles.
They could be like plant-like. I wanted to get some pictures. Duking it out here. What happened? He got on your territory? Chasing each other. Look at this duck. Look. Snuffling. And look at the little curl in the tail. Very cute.
So interesting seeing them just like in the ducks among them.
Like kind.
Yeah.
And here comes the squirrel. What's the matter? You think I'm gonna feed you too? I'm sorry, no food here. Alright, let's go see who else comes our way. Okay, those are going away. Remember were you there when Dad and I did this thing and we just took some dirt and we threw it out and they all came skittering in?
No.
Do that with some sand. I bet they'll all come to you. I know, it's kind of... It's kind of cheating.
Not cheating.
Not very nice. And then those over there are grebes. And we have our snowy egret. I wonder how long they live. Where'd they all go? Somebody's coming that way. And they're all going to go to what's this new person. Hey, maybe he's got some food.
He has a dog.
Huh? Oh, he has a dog. Oh. The grapes. Kind of hard to see through the lens. Outdoor school. Match the word to the picture. Boy, hat, cat, ball, apple, and sun. Where's boy? Oh, there's boy. Hat, cat, boy, ball, apple, sun, and apple. And then shapes. Cute. Nice way to do it. Counting. Letters. That's cute. Keep it fun. Pelican. More grapes. ready to take off? No. I thought for a minute it might be.
Yeah.
You found something. Yep. Fishing.
Huh.
See, it must be like some little fish or something.
Crazy.
Cute. He's pescatarian.